What is going on, Shib Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today we're going to talk about Shiba Inu, the overall cryptocurrency market, as we're seeing potentially the final correction of 2021. If you guys saw my video from yesterday where I said Q4, which means the months of October, November, and December, usually when it comes to a bull cycle, if we're on a year of a bull cycle, if you look back to 2013, or 2017 when we had the biggest run-ups in crypto, and now in 2021, which is the biggest one to date. It seems like every time we just get to higher highs. But the thing that you got to realize is every single time by the end of September, we see the strongest of corrections or the most pullbacks, followed by the biggest rallies. Remember, of course, that I'm not a financial advisor. Rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And I truly believe what we're going to see in Q4, the next few months, through the end of the year, are going to be absolutely wonderful. So for those who are able to stomach the volatility, stomach the downside, stomach those losses that you're seeing, just remember, it's all unrealized losses. Make sure you keep that into account. Make sure you keep in account that it's only unrealized. Until you click that sell button, you won't actually be selling at a loss. So make sure you're all understanding what's going on with the market, understanding the trends that we typically see, because that will kind of help give you more conviction, especially at times like these. So without further ado, let's go ahead and look at Shiba Inu's price action, some news catalysts that might be on the way, and other information that has been spread, more FUD in my opinion. But again, could it come true? Possibly, but let's go ahead and conquer those things and make sure that we are all on the same page. Now, first and foremost, let's talk about price action. So Shiba Inu currently sitting at 710 Satoshi units. It's been running sideways for quite some time, and we know that's kind of what we've been looking at lately for SHIB token. $2.8 billion market cap, a decent run up today, which looked like, again, maybe potential for breakout, but unfortunately, like always, the bears are continuing to control the overall market sentiment and overall market trends. Now, before I continue, I do want to mention two links in the description below for you guys. So there's a link down there for Webull. So if you want to get 2 free stocks, 2 more days, the 28th, 29th, and 30th. So basically after today, 2 more days to get your 2 free stocks when you deposit 1 cent into your Webull brokerage account. Not $1, not $5, but 1 penny can yield you up to $2,300. At the very minimum, you're getting 18 bucks. Take advantage. That's a beautiful ROI, and you can take that money and buy SHIB with it directly on Webull at 0 commission or anything else. And also, feel free to book a call in the description below if you have questions about how to buy or sell, if you have questions about the overall cryptocurrency market, if you're interested in partnerships, collaborations, YouTube, whatever it might be. Go ahead and click the link and book a call so we can talk one-on-one. And I do apologize for the people that have not been able to get back to them via email. Now, the first thing we always got to look at when we look at Shiba Inu having a red day or maybe a sideways day is what's happening in the overall cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, all the big coins, even Doge up there. Top 10 crypto assets are all down on the day, but still green on the week. So what we're looking for is some solid support in terms of the next couple days to keep us from falling below or potentially going into a falling knife type momentum, which we could see Bitcoin maybe test 35K all the way down there. But for me, I truly think that hopefully the bears are going to lose and the bulls are going to win by great overall market sentiment and overall global news across the entire world. All right, so we saw the overall cryptocurrency market has been pulling back, but the paper hands are slowly leaving, the weak-handed investors are leaving, and the diamond handers are the ones that are going to start investing in. Because the weak-handed investors are seeing articles like this saying, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu at risk of steep correction. And this is not the first time this has happened. This happens all the time, guys. Anytime the overall market is looking red, these articles are just looking basically to clickbait, to get people to click on it, read through, and see that it's just nothing but FUD. They're saying SHIB is primed for a downside all the way to 582 Satoshi units. That's nothing new. That's exactly what we know. We know that's our pouncing moment. Right when we see SHIB approaching 580, 590 Satoshis, which happened in July 20th and September 8th, what did we do, folks? We pounced heavily. We continue to increase our bags because we know where SHIB is headed towards the end of the year with all the catalysts that are coming, all the partnerships, the gaming, the NFT drops. NFTs are huge in 2021. People are seeing some ridiculous returns on their initial investment in the NFT space, which I'm hoping to get into very soon. But as you guys see, a lot of different things saying Dogecoin is looking like it's ready to dip, Shiba Inu is ready to dip. But with that same token, we got to find other articles that are showing why the bulls are ready to take off as SHIB price stabilizes. Because yes, what we've seen is the run-ups after news catalysts, then the sell-offs, but we're finding very solid support at that 700 Satoshi unit mark. So now what we need is that utility factor that's going to change our trajectory completely. So again, I know it's been hard to stomach and I know it's been boring in terms of investing, because what we like to see is what we're seeing with our other investments like Saitama. 30, 40, 50% upside per day in terms of price action. That is lovely. I love what we're seeing with that one. But I know SHIB is poised to do the exact same thing in the near future. But only those who are able to stomach the losses are going to be able to see the fruits of their labor. And one thing I also want to mention, a quick mental health check-in for those that are watching the video. So I sent out this tweet earlier, and a lot of people gave me some responses, and I really liked it, negative and positive. Because again, I know when the market is red, people's brain, your heart might not feel at ease. You might just feel overall pretty down. So again, a quick mental health check-in for the entire SHIB army. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how you're doing. Like actually, as I said here, like actually, how are you? How are you? How is your family? How is everything going for you? Because guys, although the market might go up and down some days, at the end of the day, we're all a family. We've created a community with one another. There are 70,000 subscribers on this channel. Over 70,000 people watch these videos. So what does that mean? It's not just about talking about price action every day or this here and that here, news there. No, we need to also mention things like how we are doing. Ask your fellow SHIB army member, how are they doing? Check in on them every once in a while, especially on the red days. On the green days, of course, everybody's excited and we're happy with big smiles on our face. But the red days are the days that we got to keep each other up, especially because it is pretty sad when we see our portfolio drop in value. Don't get me wrong, I'm the first person to start getting concerned. But when I see the positivity from the SHIB army, the people saying Shiba Inu will moon, when I see people saying buy the dip, that's the kind of thing that gives me conviction deep down inside in my chest, which keeps me coming back for more and making these videos even on the days that are hard to record on. Like today, the overall market conditions aren't the greatest. But again, guys, I know we are getting prepared for launch. It's gonna happen, it's just gonna take some time. Between now and the end of the year, I have 110% faith in Shiba Inu and the overall crypto market, because it hasn't let people down back in 2013. In 2017 it didn't. And why can't this year be the exact same? The rally is prepared, and again, that stock to flow model, that $100,000 Bitcoin price target to follow the exact trajectory as gold, historically speaking, in my opinion, is 110% going to happen. That means Bitcoin will more than double before the end of the year. And remember, this is just speculation, but again, I think it all is sensible, because Bitcoin is known as digital gold. Shiba Inu is going to be maybe digital silver, right? Because it's something that is a commodity. I think it's going to be an asset. It's something that people want to invest in as a future of decentralized finance, as the DeFi space, as a community project, community-driven crypto asset, making it so unique and so special, specific to all of us that are part of this community. So again, everybody, make sure you always do your own research. Look at the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index. I don't have it pulled up here, but I can pull it up real quick. Let's see. So Bitcoin Fear and Greed. I want to show you guys this because I want to make sure you guys understand that same quote that we've been saying time and time again. The market right now is under extreme fear conditions. Extreme fear. The sentiment overall is people are scared. Weak-handed investors are leaving. Diamond hand investors are increasing their bags. Because as Warren Buffett says in the stock market and any other market out there, including the crypto market, when there's a lot of fear in the market, that is the time for you and I, real diamond-handed investors, to increase our bags and start investing, putting in our money day by day, dollar cost averaging in. And when the market is greedy, that's when we should truly be fearful. So thank you all so much for tuning in. You guys know how much you mean to me. Make sure you guys check out the links in the description below, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also, go ahead and drop a comment. Let me know how you're actually doing. How are you? How are things going in your life? And that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for tuning in. And by the way, I didn't mention, I'm doing pretty good. Although the market is red and work has been quite stressful, I'm still doing all right. I'm still here every day. Big smile on my face, repping the YourPOP hoodies all the time. So make sure if you want to check them out, they are in the link in the description, right there on a banner from Teesprings. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.